To make an Uber Eats driver account in Australia, you will need to meet the requirements and follow the steps outlined below. First, ensure you have the necessary documents, including a valid full Australian driver license for car drivers or a valid Australian state or territory issued photo identification card for bicycle couriers. You will also need to have an Australian business number and provide proof of vehicle ownership or insurance if you are driving a car. Next, download the Uber Driver app from the App Store on your phone and sign up to be a delivery partner. Choose the type of vehicle you will be using to make deliveries, either a car or a bicycle. Enter your personal details and upload the required documents. You will then be prompted to take a photo of yourself for your profile. Once you have completed the sign-up process, you will need to attend an onboarding session at an Uber Greenlight hub. At the session, you will need to bring your identification and vehicle documents. You will be given an overview of how the app works and be able to ask any questions you may have. After attending the onboarding session and having your documents verified, you will be able to start making deliveries. Make sure to follow the guidelines and rules provided by Uber to ensure a safe and successful delivery experience. This includes wearing a helmet if you are riding a bicycle and following all road rules. As an Uber Eats driver, you will be able to choose when you want to work and for how long. You will receive notifications through the app when there are delivery requests in your area. You will then be able to accept or decline the request based on your availability and location. It is also important to note that as an independent contractor, you will be responsible for your own tax and superannuation. You will need to keep track of your earnings and expenses and report them to the Australian Taxation Office. Uber will provide you with a summary of your earnings at the end of each year to help with your tax return. By following these steps and guidelines, you can successfully create an Uber Eats driver account in Australia and start making deliveries by car or bicycle. Remember to always follow the rules and guidelines provided by Uber and to prioritize your safety and the safety of others on the road.